Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone if outgoing call not ringing. At first, go to your control center, make sure to turn off your mute option, select loud option, and go to focus, make sure to turn off all focus. And at first, turn on airplane mode, turn off airplane mode, and then finally open settings. Click onto cellular. At first turn off your SIM card and then turn on your SIM card, and go to sound and vibration. Make sure to turn on and make sure to increase ringtone sound, and ringtone make sure to select loud ringtone. I hope you just follow this step, then you fix this problem.